Good morning children, welcome to Blue Star High Secondary School, class 7, subject English. Today we are going to see a new poem, The Rebel, written by T.J. Enright. Let's move on to the introduction part. The poem The Rebel was written by D.J. Enright. He was born on 11th March 1990. The poem tells nature of rebel who does just opposite of what others do. Okay student, let's move on to the hard words present in this poem. Fantastic, crazy, regrets, apology, remarks, attention, rebel, a person who does not obey. Student, tell me, do you all like your friends? Yes, we all like our friends. Tell me, do you all play with your friends? Of course, we are all play with your friends. Okay, do you have any friend who goes always opposite of you? What do you want? Yes, some people have the type of friends like if you want to play outdoor game, he want to stay inside, I want to play indoor games. Okay student, let's move on to the poem lines. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has a long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. A group of people with short hair, he could allow his hair to grow long because he is not constant, and therefore when he see people growing their hair long, he would end up cutting it short. And he is a rebel, he can't help but create disturbance. When he sees that everybody also has become quiet, the rebel constantly seeks attention by doing that to what others. Okay students, tell me, do you like to wear your uniform dress or like to wear your color dress? Yes, we mostly like to wear our color dress. Do you like pets? Mostly we like pets. Then, what pets do people like most? Some people like cat and some people like dog. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dressed in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dressed soberly. These lines shows a different position of a rebel. When every person of society wears simple and uniform clothes, the rebel uses strange and odd clothes. He wants to look distinguished from others. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good words for dogs. In these lines, the poet expresses his idea of rebel. If some people love dogs as a pet animals, the rebel talks about the usefulness of cats. He prefers cats to dogs. If rebel is in company of those people who loves cats, he prefers dogs to cats. He wants to look different at all. The poet says that if people require the sunlight and prize the sun, the rebel is against them. He says that sun is not required and there is need for rain. When everybody of the society welcomes and requires the rain, the rebel says something about the sun. He feels sorry for the absence of the sun. According to him, there is need for sunlight. Everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. It is very good that we have a social rebels in this society. But naturally, it is not good to become a social rebel. The poet further suggests that if we already have the social rebels, we should tolerate them. Student, I recite the poem, The Rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts. Okay, student, I recite the poem, The Rebel. When everybody has short hair, The rebel lets his hair grow long. Okay student, listen carefully. I recite the poem. The rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets its hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel does not say a word. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference of cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good words for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of rain. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. When everybody says, yes please, the rebel says, no thank you. When everybody says, no thank you, the rebel says, yes please. It was very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. Written by D.J. Enright. Then let's move on to the summary part. The Rebel is an excellent poem by D.J. Enright. The poet has beautifully described the liking and dislikes of a rebel in the context of various social states. The poem is indeed a satire on the attitude of a rebel. The rebel are against every situation. When people have short hair, the rebel grows his hair long. He grows his hair long, became different from others. When the people are praying of sunlight, the rebel would demand rain and clouds. He will pray for rain. The poet says that rebel is still a good thing for society. Today's assignment is read and write the hard words present in the poem The Rebel.